so don't worry now. This evening, I will give you 100,000 if you think you carry that one. Enjoy life for small. Now you come with me now. 150,000, no problem. Send me your account number now. I go do you transfer 150,000. Kaja be enjoy it now. When I see you first, we go discuss another one.
Odinaka. Where you go?
Okay, bye-bye.
Emeka, I don't come. Oh.
Hey! Ami, who invited you to come now? You think carry you come here now? I ready for house to come work, come hustle. You call the family come here.
I don't come collect money. I don't come collect money. As we did like this, nothing there inside the house. There is nothing in the house, and you said you were going to send money. I've been waiting since morning for you to send the money, but you did not send it. So I figured that you might be busy at the shop. I
am very busy.
Which is why, as a good wife, I decided to save you the stress and come and collect the money by myself.
You can see, I'm a very busy man. I'm very, very busy now.
Okay, I don't come now.
And the last time I checked, there is a 1 pint of garlic in the store. Inside the fridge, three plate of soup. The inside there.
One pint of garlic.
You just come here to come embarrass me.
1 pint of garlic? What a plate of garlic where you buy 2 weeks ago? We don't chop garlic, soup, nothing there inside soup.
You just come here to come embarrass me. I know this is your tilico, Ami Shandalia. I know this is your tilico.
So what is my
Ami Shandalia? Give a pardon, Ami Shandalia. Now our business be this one.
Hey! Now you dey embarrass yourself. 1 plate of garlic where you buy 2 weeks ago. Now we don't chop since. Soup, uncle. No meat, no fish, nothing there inside the soup. Water soup. Now 1 plate of garlic. No, it cannot happen now. Now you dey embarrass yourself. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Hey, Shandalia.
So as you come my shop now, come dey shout.
Why I no go shout?
How did you take me?
Why I no go shout? If you dey take care of me, you think I go come your shop? See this kind of big shop where you get. See this kind of expensive things where you dey say, yeah, see your wife. See as your wife resemble.
My wife?
You know see as I dey? You dey take care of me like this.
You just carry
yourself. Okay, go bring money from house, make I go buy something. Carry
sweat and the dust in the waka for road. Come here to come embarrass me.
Now your papa dey smell. Now your papa dey smell. As you not gree keep money now, as you not gree keep money, I don't come collect them. You go give me money.
Okay, now go outside there. Carry the microphone. Now go outside there.
Why would I raise my voice? Why would I raise my voice? You don't do like say you don't get family where you go take care of. Wait till you dey look. Who you dey look?
No problem.
Embarrass yourself up and down.
This thing what you do, you don't go right car. Because it's very intentional. You just come here to embarrass me.
Emeka, when was the last time we cooked good meal in the house? When was the last time you dropped good money for us to cook in the house? You're telling me I'm embarrassing you. Did the embarrassed person when shame? You're already shameless. I don't even know the taste of meat again.
I don't give you money now.
I cannot remember. If I see fish like this, I'm not going to recognize fish. If I see egg, I go think say na another thing.
The soup now. I don't give you the money. Carry the money, they come over here now.
Hey, Miss Shandalia, you get this kind of money? Now if I ask for money for food, you're going to give me 2,000, 3,000. Same money? So because I come, you want make people think say you dey give me money? Because you want make people think say you dey give me money? When was the last time you gave me this kind of money? Emeka, when was the last time you gave me this kind of money? You know they shame because people they look. No, you don't get shame. Oh, now if you touch me, now that I know that I have to come here to create drama before you give me money, every day.
This thing what they do now.
Every day.
This is my work. This is my
every day when they come here.
Now they take big money.
So you get this kind of money to give me.
You can take my Shandalia shop.
Expect me to go. You don't get shame.
I don't give you
don't get shame. See the kind of shop where you get. Your wife going to look like bad money every time.
Everybody there now. I don't give you a bundle of money now.
Bundle of money?
You talk nonsense.
3 years now. This man never give me money like this. 3 years now. This man never give me this kind of money.
Madam.
If you touch me, Maga Kanti, you go see yourself for your village. They craze. Nonsense. 3 years. Wait, make I sing. This money no go reach. I want check for one. I want check for your drawer.
You don't do. Can't they go? You don't do now.
You go make me come here first before you know say you go give me money for food.
You don't do. You don't do. What's go?
Make I not find you come here tomorrow.
What's go? Come for here now.
Lagades. Whoa, Amy Chandalia, importer, exporter. Amy Chandalia, the guy Bokwanko. Amy Chandalia, mana, my guy Bokamani, now only women
eat my money with your full chest, no fear. That's the more. If you finish this one and now they bring more for you.
I'm okay.
You sure?
I'm feeling full already.
You're feeling full? You want to feel full here too? People that's getting power here.
Okay.
So eat very well. Yes. My dear.
What of the school fees you promised me?
You don't reach.
Yes, now I'm in final year, my project.
Okay, no problem. I will pay it for you.
Okay.
And I will even give you extra pocket money.
Okay.
So that you can flex and not say big gas, you know? Yes, yes, I will give you that one. But eat finish so that we can go upstairs. I get some of my machines then where you need to help me service. You know what I mean now?
Okay. My old dog will okay.
Oh, drink wine now. Oh, nah, what they do? Wine again? Is that way just the fly on the face anyhow? What happen?
Good evening.
You don't see me enter inside. I open that door, enter. I can't really cheer. No good evening, my husband.
Good evening, my husband.
Get a kebia.
You come out since morning. You didn't drop money for food. Why?
So because of food, now they squeeze face like this. Because of common food, now they fly on the face like this.
This is not common.
Do you know that as I speak to you now, your mates waiting for work. They don't leave work now. Enter gym straight to go burn fats, to go and shed fats. Some of them now they prepare for night vigil for mountain on fire. If you go in the next 2 hours now die by fire, die by fire, die by fire. In fact, that is what you would hear. You dey here, waiting there your mouth now. Food. They use food swear for you.
I don't understand. Make I no chop.
What do you not understand? That is the way you carry this food thing for head. It is a cause for concern. Because you go to sleep for night. All you go there, you do like your mouth like this. What's in the chop for dream? Okay, whatever you're chopping in that dream is not enough to last you the whole day. You go chop for there, finish. Come here, they ask for food.
I should not eat. I should starve to death. Because of what? Because of what? Swear to God that you've not eaten since morning. Swear.
How do I take concern you?
You're just selfish.
And by the way, why is all my right to on in this house? All the right is on and the parrot is sharing. That means that the AC have been on for more than at least 7 hours.
Did you buy the AC for decoration?
My dear,
is it not to cool the house?
If you want to use AC now, you on and small, you off and small. You on and small, you off and small. Now, if I check now, 18 degrees, now you on that thing.
I ask again, did you buy the AC as decoration?
What about the television? You there here, they press phone when I enter inside. Film, they watch you. Who is paying for the data? Are you buying data? Are you buying that
Whether you watch the television or you don't watch it, you're still going to pay the same amount. It doesn't change.
No problem.
Why are you so stingy? Why are you complaining about everything?
You are not paying bill now. So you don't care how the money is coming or how it is going.
You married me to suffer me, right?
Spiritually, I'm not benefiting from you. Whereas you fast and pray for me. Physically, that you will go and gym your thighs and gym your body to be firm. Whereas you enter gym in this place, your own is food. They carry food sweat for you.
When you finish talking, you say what we're going to eat as night food because I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning.
My dear, news flash. We are fasting.
We are not fasting, though. You are fasting. Me, I'm not fasting.
We are fasting and praying as a couple.
No,
as husband and wife, we are fasting and praying. Every time it's food. Jesus is the sweetest name I know.
I'm hungry.
He's always just the same. Oh, praise his holy name. Oh.
Good evening. Did anything happen at the shop today?
Madam, nothing happened.
Are you sure?
Yes, madam, nothing happened.
Nobody came to see him. He didn't bring anybody to the shop. He didn't go out.
Madam, he no go out, but he come out from shop like 4 p.m.
Hey, what?
Till now when I dey come back, he no come back.
Where did he go to?
Madam, na that one I don't know.
Why you no go know? You must know.
Okay.
Look, the next time he steps out of the shop,
Okay.
follow him. Make sure you know where he's going to. Make sure you know who he's going out with. Okay?
Okay.
And then whatever happens in the shop, anybody that comes to see him, any calls he's making, anything he's doing, just keep me posted.
Okay, madam. Inspector Odinaka.
Sign.
Inspector.
Ami, get me water to drink.
There is no drinking water in this house. Should I call Odinaka to buy you water? You give him money.
Which one is there's no drinking water in the house?
Oh, water now.
Should I buy pure water just yesterday? 1 bag.
Emeka, you bought one bag of pure water and it has finished.
1 bag supposed to last not at least roughly 1 week now.
How now?
One sachet per meal.
Hi.
Times the 2 of us. That is 1 week now.
Odinaka did this house, so don't forget.
Odinaka, they can drink tap water. Come, this thing need to stop. This thing need to stop.
No
we cannot
water.
be spending money anyhow. I should call Odinaka to give me money to buy another water. When we just bought pure water yesterday. Like every day I'm going to buy 1 bag of pure water. What you got the water do, sir? Now, bath you carry the water bath.
There is no water in the house.
It's the way they do, no make sense. So. But no problem. I think I know what to do. Because this water issue don't they become problem. From now on, in fact, when they can't dig borehole for that backyard, if you want to put water for village, you go there, you fetch water, then you boil it. When it settle, you put up for village. Now, so our parents is telling us, and we get sense. No be all this bottled water, sachet water, where they give cancer.
Are you listening to yourself? Can you just hear yourself speak? We switched from taking bottled water to pure water simply because they added 100 naira.
100 naira.
100 naira to the price.
100 naira.
And now you want us to switch from pure water to tap water. I never see this kind of stinginess for my life. I never see.
Now God is save us sins. We dey drink water, we don't know where they fetch the water from.
Your stinginess, Yeah, quoi.
Well, you stop water, you make I drink a bag.
We can give you tap water to drink.
Drink like that, and you go die. Tell me tap water, make I drink.
You are even stingy to your own self. God forbid. Odinaka!
Hi.
Okay.
Are they hot now?
Are you a chief? Yeah?
What
Go
is
and
the
find
meaning
the
of
newspaper
it?
there or carry 1 book, find yourself.
See now, there is light. Let us on this AC. Gas simba. You can't defend yourself. We no fit sleep. Sit time.
Tariff have gone up.
Past midnight, you can't sleep.
This alien now about the Do you know how much never bill be now? Everything don't go up. The one way they here now, I'll make a manager for 3 months. You self, where you day house since morning. You on AC when I go work. Why you no manage them so that when we come back, we go look at. I don't check my meter. I know how much meter we supposed to use every day, every year. We don't pass them by 2 days. So we need to balance back. Once we balance back now, we can go back to default settings.
Which kind stingy? Which kind stinginess be this now? Why person go stingy to his own self? How won't take sleep this night with this kind of heat?
Last month, I spent 500,000 on electricity. What thing will they on?
Hey.
Eh? How many people will they watch? You go the one AC. This na band.
I no go fit sleep.
Everything
like
there expensive.
I no go fit sleep like this.
2 days now, you don't run electricity for 4 days. By my calculation.
I no fit sleep like this, Emeka. I can't sleep like this now.
No worry now. Very soon we go to sleep for darkness. What will be the difference? Eh? Because for village where we they grow up. So no AC. This AC don't spoil now. Eh?
Okay. I don't hear you. Because let's on it for 30 minutes. And once it's 2 a.m., I off am. Make I just sleep. Off am, I beg. I don't feel sleep like this.
30 minutes.
Hey, just 30 minutes.
On this Talif. Hold on.
What's it different?
On this Talif for 30 minutes.
The remote
No, just
control
hold on now.
Hey!
That is
Hey!
the last meter where I put now. Eh?
Hey.
I put 200,000.
No worry. Just
No worry.
leave it.
200,000.
You dey use calculator.
You don't already chop inside 1 week. Oh, you don't already eat inside that 200,000 now 75,000.
Hi.
If we go by this way you talk now, plus that 30 minutes now, how much we go use?
No worry.
I beg, even off the right, make me know say we dey save this thing. Make this thing reach just 1 month. If you say you dey work now, you no go dey talk this night nonsense.
No be you say make I no work. I won't work. You know say you.
Amarachi, how do you? We don't date for church like this. Mm-hmm. Which one be this one where you never ready for church?
Why I go ready, Emeka? Look, can't you see that this wig has suffered in my hands? I've been wearing this wig for the past 8 years. I need new wigs now. Let me be like Umuwa in the Ibim.
Now you send yourself message, go carry this kind hair. Nobody send you message. Eh? Which one be say you need to change your hair, Go upstairs there and go and find scarf and put on your head. Look, see time. 15 minutes time now, mass go start. You don't hear they talk about wig.
Emeka, this thing you're doing is not good.
This thing now hair where small children they wear. All these Gen Z girls. Now you carry them, they do competition with them. Go and wear scarf when they go church.
This thing you're doing is not good, though. It's not good. So other people's wives that dress well, wear nice clothes, wear nice. See, all those, even in the church, all those women that are married in the church, look at the way they look now. They look very nice, good bags, expensive shoes, designer clothes. But look at me.
I don't like this thing.
Did you know?
I don't like
this is when I've been wearing this
My
clothes.
dear, there is no point of you wearing Obanje hair. Money water products. This hair now, person die. As if they die for Pakistan, I mean India, where they did. They cut the hair like this. Package up, put chemical, consent and down to you. Okay, person who don't die, but they watch you every day. They wear her hair. Every day they form Gen Z body. The hair will die too now. So I write your hair like this.
So all
either
those
say
men,
you do all back, or you do chuku, or you do police cap, or you do Arishakis. 1 million hair. The hair they plenty now. If you say okay, I say attachment is very expensive now. Do natural hair for me.
So all those men, when they buy hair for their wife, they don't get sense. Why you stingy like this now? Your money is supposed to be showing on my body like other women, but it's not. You have the money, but you're so stingy. Look at me, looking like your mother. Oh, that's what you want, Abi? We'll be walking on the road and people will think I'm your mom. Is that fair?
Small girl like you.
It's not nice now. See, I've worn this cloth to church 7 times, and the year is just starting.
My dear, if you wear clothes 7 times to church, that means say God they breast the clothes they more. Every time you wear that particular clothes, the breast they come your body. Use clothes now. Suppose you come for church, you hang that. Every Sunday you wear it. Now breasted clothes.
So
now.
why you know they repeat the same cloth? Why you know they repeat the same cloth every Sunday?
I'm a businessman now. When I come out, go there now, people they look me. Now by my appearance, they will say, okay, yeah, we Amy Shandalia. They come there, they come out.
So people know they look me. You don't know say I be your wife. You don't know say now your wife they go use know whether you get money or not.
The way they see this thing, if you say you they compare yourself
Why not go compare?
with other people husband them.
Why would I compare?
Because I don't understand now. One man want making wife get BBL. Make she wear designer bag, Hermes, Gucci, and all those designer. One man want making wife wear them. Make she wear designer hair. Make she wear put perfume. In everything he wants, and everything he give her. I want to my wife natural.
You want to make her look like your mama?
I write my wife.
Like your mama?
You won't impress that man now, be waiting.
So you wear the dress.
Who you won't go wear this thing for?
Why? You wear the dress like this? Not be small girls you dey follow. All those girls with 30 inches Brazilian hair. You think I don't see the way you look at those girls?
I do not look at anybody.
All those girls with BBL, you think I don't see the way you look at them?
Anybody.
This is how you like me to look.
I do not look. I'm a businessman.
Like a mother.
When I go outside, my eye they see everything. What are they see now? Investment opportunities. Go and wear scarf where they go church. There is no more time again. You waste my time.
Look how they look like this.
Go and wear scarf where they go church.
No problem.
If not, I go drive go church. You go use transport.
No problem. Your wish is my command. I go dress like a mama for you.
Hurry up.
It's a bad girl.
Hurry up. We don't have this kind of time. We have 5 more minutes now before church starts. You there? You want change wig? Very soon now. You tell me say you want do breast surgery now. Unyara, you want to change hair. This one where they place hair for that place now. 30,000 naira now. She don't do hair for 1 month for you. You don't go buy a wig of 2 million naira.
Amy Sandalia. The mama. My fine husband. Importer, exporter. This night, you go import, make I export. Amy Sandalia. Amy Sandalia. Amy Sandalia.
Why are they shaking your? Eh?
I dey try seduce you now.
I no go walk, no be now.
I know, say na nyash be your weak point. This man, you too like nyash.
I've been get very busy day. Since the morning, I dey shop. Sun today just dey drastic.
No
you know.
Worry. By the time I finish with you, your body go calm down.
What you want finish? Nothing need to finish inside. Make we just sleep. Tomorrow we
no
go find
worry. Make I work on your machine gun.
Nothing. See. You no stand now. You no see.
Make I walk on am, go stand.
Touch, see, nothing.
You go stand now.
You go count down because I don't tire.
Let me touch me now. I dey hungry for you.
Oh, I'm Chandelier. Happen, Maka.
I'm Chandelier. I dey hungry for you now.
Make
you be my husband now.
Tomorrow we go continue.
You go like him.
Why you do like this?
You go like him now.
I don't tire. My machine no dey work. Anything you do from now to tomorrow, you no go work.
Don't you take am from back? Amy Chandelier now, don't do like this. I be your wife, oh. Why you do like this? When was the last time you touched me? You're frustrating me now. All my engine don't they wear off. I need to grease it.
Ami, enter bathroom, use shower head now.
Wetin be that one?
Shower head they work.
I don't want. I beg. Now man, I want. Now man. Now one body I want.
I don't tire. Now I dey work all day. How can you pano?
Why you dey stab me? Am I not your wife? Or don't you find me attractive anymore? Baby, I beg now. Because you know, because the thing they hungry.
How many times I go tell you this thing?
Okay.
I don't tire.
It's so bad.
Machine no dey work.
Okay, since your machine no dey work, come give me head. I go manage head. Manage head. Oh yeah. Bring your head.
Can't give you head.
No.
Not only head. I for you stove. Or eye or ear. Man, I give you head. As a titled man, make I carry my head. They come give you head. Nah, sometimes you do some kind of things. They come back and say you don't get sense. Good night.
But you promised me head now. You promised me head since. Every time you go tell me tomorrow, I go give you head. You dey promise me head. Even before you get this title, you don't agree give me head. You promise me head. Wetin be this now? Amy. Emeka. I be your wife, oh. Now my right be this. I don't want to force you. Emeka, bring that thing, come out. Emeka. Open this thing. Bring this thing, come out. Emeka.
They bring that risk to come down now, eh? If I go work now, knock on my phone, no. You the right to the book for there. Say dog in. I don't tell you for testing. I said the thing to the man now. He's been there since how many hours now? What's your discount? I'll give him 2,000 naira discount now. Bye. All they go work now. You carry me come keep for here. After you say you can give you money for something. 1 bag of rice. Again, are we trying to do party here or what? Who died? Who they do marriage? What are we celebrating?
Emeka, do you want me to be going to the market to buy things one by one? It's stressful now. I just want to buy things in bulk.
I'm going to give something. It is just 2 of us in the house. Make we see what we dey chop. Nobody say we go buy 1 bag of rice. Rats go follow us, they chop the rice.
Rats.
Before that rice, that bag of rice, we finish now. Rats don't chop almost half.
Emeka, there is no rat in this house. There's no rat in this house.
When you put unnecessary food in the store, rats go come the visitor.
Emeka, stop being stingy now. You have this money. You have this money. Let's just buy things in bulk so that we don't have to go to the market.
Onion. This is right.
Oh, you expect me to go and buy 1 single onions in the market? Come on now.
Pepper, onions, garlic. We don't need garlic for this thing. We need garlic and ginger.
Emeka, I don't like this thing you're doing. I don't like this thing you're doing at all. You're acting cheap and I don't like it.
Come here. What tomato did you do for this list?
Hey, I want to make stew now.
Okay. From you want to cook tele soup now. You want to add stew.
No,
now.
I said I want to stock up the fridge.
You and who discussed stew? You and who discussed stew?
You don't want stew?
I don't want stew.
You don't want to eat so the rice that you're saying you want to buy in Jerica, what would you eat with it?
Leave it like that first.
You will eat the rice like that.
Make we bring the soup, then we now enter the stew. What thing you got the right tomato for?
What kind of mentality is this? Am I going to chew the tomato?
The
the food. You eat more than me in this house. I'm making this food for you, so why are you complaining?
Minus this one now.
You don't want stew, no problem. Okay, just give me money for soups. At least 3 pots of soups. 15 what? Better be dollars you're talking about.
Wait, 13,000. The other 2,000, no need.
Emeka, what am I supposed to do with 13K?
That is a plus of transport.
Just 1 derica of rice is over 5,000 naira. And you say we should buy 2 dericas. So how am I supposed to cook the 3 pots of soups? This is not even enough for 1 pot of soup. By the time I buy meat, 10K, what is left?
My dear.
Why are you acting like this now? Do you know how much ugu is?
Do you know how much I'm paying my gate man at my office? Do you know how much I'm paying him? 30,000 for 1 whole month. He has 4 children. And they are eating every day. How is the wife cooking soup?
So we should eat like the gate man.
How is the wife cooking soup?
You want us to eat like the gate man? Is that what you want? Is that what you want?
Not even show. He's living a healthy life.
Why are you wicked like
I don't want to spoil you.
You don't want to spoil
Manage this money now.
13,000 naira for 3 pots of soup. And make 13,000 naira.
When you reach church from there, you use keke from there, enter market. Carry keke. Come back from there, you telek back.
Why are you behaving like this, Emeka? What is the meaning of this?
Walking around. If you watch American film, they used to do all this kind of thing. You use your rent.
Emeka, this is not enough.
No problem.
This is even the Uber I was going to enter. This is not enough. What is the meaning of this now?
You
want to come to when you come back to this house, there'll be no food, oh. When you come back to this house, there'll be no food for you to eat, so just know that one. Don't worry. Come back now. There is no food because what am I supposed to cook with 13K? By the time I buy meat, 10K. What? You will eat sand. Finish, you will eat sand. I'll just use this one and buy pomade. Oh, bish. Giving me 13K to make 3 pots of soup. What kind of stingy? It's not like you don't have the money. You have the money. You just like to stress somebody unnecessarily. Wicked man. I don't even know what I saw in you that I married you in the first place. Nonsense.
Oga. Sir? Oga, na beans when I want to one chop.
I say, carry am come make I see am. Under this hot sun, Open it. Beans and the meat. Drop it for here. That is beans and meat.
No, sir. That is pomo.
Kana pomo na did no be meat too.
Protein and protein. Eh? Who does that? When they chop beans and meat for afternoon, you don't check the time. How many chandelier or how many bulb or how many fluorescent you don't sell today?
Sir, we don't say two shagari.
Two shagari.
Yes, sir.
Shehu shagari. Abi Amadu Ben Lowe. Which one?
Eh? This thing.
You don't know what they sell. Shagari are idiot. And if you say shagari, you they listen to one. So that's how customer will gonna come my shop to come buy chandelier. You go tell and say we no get shagari. Eh? They embarrass me. Onya osapa ya.
Gabi like.
Malam. My own be say these beans and meat when I chop, you know they head for my business. Because I don't understand how person go chop beans and the meat for afternoon. People when they chop this thing, they wait till like 6 p.m. when they want close shop. When I go there, they chop for afternoon. Now for anyhow. And you, since you enter here, smell of my shop don't change. Yes, now. Now they mess you, they mess. You and now, this is the cost now. Beans and meat. And if I check very well, cook, go do that corner.
No, sir. I do am outside. I will come inside.
That's the thing now. When you mess your mess outside, this beans and meat, the mess go still attached to your skin. Follow your enter my shop. That's why my shop, the aroma for here don't change completely. Sell market, you don't go sell market.
Sorry.
Shift. Come here. Go and rock my this thing, my rocker.
Okay.
I know how much is inside here.
Okay, sir.
Rocker. No.
Okay, Oga.
Lagades.
Hello. Yes, don't scatter staff meeting. You come
Emi
on.
Chandalia.
Yes, okay.
Importer, exporter.
Go back. Good
Emi
luck,
Chandalia. The guy Bokwanko. Emi Chandalia. Ebigi Mafia Godu. Emakwe Emi Chandalia. Emi Chandalia. Mana, my guy Bokamani. Now only women know the job is money.
Asa. Hello. Yeah, how are you now, my dear? Emi Chandelier, the fine boy that brought you just outside my shop. How are you? Okay, have you reached your house now? I just to say, let me call and make sure that you get home safe now, as a gentleman. Send me account number, can make it transfer, something for your transport. Something for your transport. Let me just do transfer. Okay. No problem. I will see you tomorrow now, Kwaya. Now your type at the right, no too much stress. Anything you have will cancel. I go tomorrow. I will see you. I will pay for all the inconveniences. All the inconveniences I pay. Bye. All right. Yeah, why? And the money. And I too like money. Don't send the cat no banana. Hey, no more wine. Okay, do the transfer. 100,000. This one go help stimulate her. Yeah, she go just to come tomorrow now. Everywhere go just wet. Hey, me chandelier. Now so. Where they even go, sef? Let's see.
Madam, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Oga said I should give you this.
Come. What is this? Bring it up, let me see. Is this fish or lizard? What? So I asked this man to buy me protein, and this is what he bought for me to make soup with? What kind of nonsense is this now?
Madam, I don't really know.
Where is he? Don't tell me he has gone out.
Madam, Oga they come out from shop every day. Oh. If to say with the mark attendance, Oga for the get F9.
No problem, you can go.
Okay.
Keep that in the kitchen.
Madam, get anything I go help you do. I won't go back up.
Just go. What kind of rubbish is this now? How can one be so stingy that he's stingy to himself and his own wife? The soup I'm making it for him. He's the same person that will eat it. Yet, bring out money, buy turkey, buy goat meat. You cannot. You're buying me lizard, calling it fish. Fish that looks like he has HIV. What am I supposed to do with that?
You should not to send the money into any account. The price is fully booked for now. But what I tell you before and what I'm telling you now, which one would you listen to? It's what I'm telling you now that you will listen to now. As I'm talking to you now, the apartment is fully booked. Let the person to go and find another place. Apartment you do this whole place now. Here is fully booked now. Come inside. Yeah, let me call you back. I have very important meeting to do. I will call you back. I'm gonna bye. My dear, turn now. Hey, turn again now. Post the back. Let me see it well. Hey, you carry this one come. You come prepare for me. Yes. Hey, come and sit down. When that? And this one is not BBL.
No.
Natural.
Yeah, it's natural.
At all. Hey. Fresh fish.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, my dear. Good to see you, my dear. Welcome.
Odogu,
Yes.
is this your house?
It's one of my house. It's my house.
Wow. This place doesn't look like a personal house. This place looks like service apartment.
But as you call me Odogu now, Odogu cannot have one house. I have another house. This one is the one I used to make extra money. It's a service apartment, but it's my own. It's my own. You're welcome. Don't be drinking it down. Just leave it up. Make me be seeing this thing. Flesh fish. But Obia, I'm a married man. I'm a married man. I just don't want confusion in that side. Just so you know. You know?
I was hoping though.
You don't hope. Get Basaramuna give is that I will take care of you. Anything you want, I will give you as fast as money can solve it. Your own is when I'm hungry, you give me. And you have to be a rainy season every time. I don't like dry season. Every time must be rainy season. Sometimes a storm. Sometimes a long thunder are rising in.
See, Odogu, don't worry. I got you covered. Anything you want, don't worry. For you.
Very good.
Concerning your marriage, I'm less concerned about that.
That is how it's supposed to be.
Concerned.
I like it.
But just me and you.
I like it. But to understand, I don't like dry season. It has to be rainy season every time. Sometimes a storm. They call that one again hurricane. I like hurricane. When they come,
you like
you understand me now? You get it?
You know what? Don't worry, I got you covered.
Yes.
Do you like how
I like everything.
Do you like it from the front or from the back?
I like the back. I like the front.
Odogu,
I like everything.
See, so far you're going to spoil me with money. Don't worry.
That is one is not a
If
problem.
you want reverse karaoke.
But for now, we'll go and remove pants. Let us start immediately.
Or you want reverse karaoke?
Now go and remove this pants and come. Eh? Hey! Hey! Baby. Hey! Come. This your dress have chuku inside. You will remove it too.
Madam, good evening. No.
Welcome.
Madam, Oga dey inside.
No, he's not back yet. Any problem?
Madam, no problem.
Okay.
Madam, you get wetin I wan tell you.
Okay. Go ahead.
Madam, you get one new girl when Oga dey carry now. Today I see how the girl take enter inside the car. As if saying a new Uber driver.
Odinaka, are you sure?
Madam, I don't ever lie for you before. I shop past Nepa now. See, today I even trace them, follow them, go the bar when they go. Oga buy her beer, buy her fish. He can't they laugh as if say when they dey with you, they get peace of mind.
Hey! Hey! So you go buy all those things, yet you no go fit buy yours bottled water for this house. Why is he behaving like this?
Madam, I don't know. See me, na trek I even trek come from shop. Me and you know say Oga stingy where.
You said he bought her fish. Fish, right?
Yes.
And beer.
And beer, madam. Madam, see, our two know say if na this one, Oga no go bring any money come aside. Oga too stingy. Now only one way you should take collect money from Oga, and me, I know that way.
Okay, what do you suggest?
Madam, see, he get one drawer when they dey our shop. He dey always sit down in front of the drawer. Money dey dey inside like offering box. Just come shout, Emeka, I no go do again. I no go. Oga dey hate embarrassment before we go come on money give you. Come out, you go cook. If you wan wait for am, nothing go come outside. Madam, I talk something bad, you know. Madam, I dey go inside my room.
Hey! Asa.
Sweetheart.
I am here now. I was just rushing down to come and I am here now. I'm here now. Hey! Asa, like you've been waiting for me since. Don't worry about that one.
Calm down.
Calm down with you. Do you know I was driving down here? I was just too speedy.
Just calm down now.
What am I coming down for? When I'm trying to get inside here, you put your hand right here. Hey.
How much you me?
I don't enter inside the commode now. What's in the man?
I want your tongue.
You see me that way, fella?
Yeah.
I should go and chop.
Yes.
Hey, I'm gonna open. Let me. Hey, Dilly.
Odogu. Easy. Down there.
Yeah, so don't worry now. This evening, I will give you 100,000 if you think you carry that one. Enjoy life for small. Now you come with me now. 150,000, no problem. Send me your account number now. I go do you transfer 150,000. Yeah. Kaja, be enjoy it now. When I see you first, we go discuss another one.
Odinaka. Where you go?
Okay, bye.
Emeka, I don't come home.
Hey! Ami, who invited you to come now? You think you come here now? I leave you for house to come work or hustle. You call the family come here.
I don't come collect money. I don't come collect money. As we dey like this, nothing dey inside that house. There is nothing in the house, and you said you were going to send money. I've been waiting since morning for you to send the money, but you did not send it. So I figured that you might be busy at the shop.
I am very busy.
Which is why, as a good wife, I decided to save you the stress and come and collect the money by myself.
You can see, I'm a very busy man. I'm very, very busy now.
Okay, I don't come now.
And the last time I checked, there is a 1 pint of garlic in that store. Inside the fridge, three plate of soup. They're inside there.
One pint of
okay,
garri.
you just come here to come embarrass me.
1 pint of garri? One plate of garri where you buy 2 weeks ago. We don't dey chop garri, soup, nothing there inside soup.
You just come here to come embarrass me. I know this is your triliko, Ami Shandalia. I know this is your triliko.
So what is my
Ami Shandalia? Give a pardon, Ami Shandalia. Now our business be this one.
Hey, now you dey embarrass yourself. 1 plate of garri where you buy 2 weeks ago. Now we don't dey chop since. Soup nko, no meat, no fish, nothing there inside the soup. Water soup. Now 1 plate of garri. No, it cannot happen now. Now you dey embarrass yourself. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Miss Shandalia.
So as you come my shop now, come dey shout.
Why I no go shout?
How did it take me?
Why I no go shout? If you dey take care of me, you think I go come your shop? See this kind of big shop where you get. See this kind of expensive things where you dey say, yet see your wife. See as your wife resemble.
My wife?
You know see as I dey? You dey take care of me like this.
You just carry yourself.
Okay, go bring money from out, make I go buy something.
Carry sweat and the dust in the waka for road. Come here to come embarrass me for my shop.
Now your papa dey smell. Now your papa dey smell. As you not give money now, as you not give money, I don't come collect them. You go give me money.
Okay, now go outside there, carry the microphone. Now go outside there.
Why would I raise my voice? Why would I raise my voice? You don't do like say you don't get family where you go take care of. Wait till you dey look. Who you dey look?
No problem.
Embarrass yourself up and down.
This thing what they do, you don't go like that. Because it's very intentional. You just come here to embarrass me.
Emeka, when was the last time we cooked good meal in the house? When was the last time you jumped good money for us to cook in the house? You're telling me I'm embarrassing you. Did the embarrass person when not get shame? You're already shameless. I don't even know the taste of meat again.
I don't give you money now.
I cannot remember. If I see fish like this, I don't recognize fish. If I see egg, I go think say na another thing.
I don't give you the money. Carry the money they come over here now.
Hey, Miss Shandalia, you get this kind of money? Now if I ask for food, money for food, you're gonna give me 2,000, 3,000. Same money? So because I come, you want make people think say you dey give me money? Because you want make people think say you dey give me money? When was the last time you gave me this kind of money? Emeka, when was the last time you gave me this kind of money? You know they shame because people they look. You don't get shame. Oh, now if you touch me, now that I know that I have to come here to create drama before you give me money, every day.
This is what they do.
Every day.
This is my work. This is my
every day they come here.
Now they take big money.
So you get this kind of money to give me.
You can take my Shandalia shop.
Expect me to you don't get shame.
I don't give you
don't get shame. See the kind of shop where you get. Your wife go dey look like madman every time.
Everybody there now. I don't give you bundle of money now.
Bundle of money.
You talk nonsense.
3 years now. This man never give me money like this. 3 years now. This man never give me this kind of money.
Madam.
If you touch me, Maga Kanti, you go see yourself for your village. They craze. Nonsense. 3 years. Wait, make I see. This money no go reach. I want to check for one. I want to check your drawer.
You don't do. Come they go. You don't do now.
You go make me come here first before you know say you go give me money for food.
You don't do. You don't do. What's to go?
Make I not find you come here tomorrow.
What's to go? No, come on, for here now. Customer, bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Customer, how now?
I'm your new boy. I just start work.
Oh, my new boy. Yes, sir. Now my wife will come here. They talk. You stand there. They look. Come on, go and do work there. Idiots. So that should be like HIV. And your madam will come here. Come and embarrass me for my shop. You sit down here.
Okay, you see, make I calculate our inventory. That what I be.
Next time that woman come here, I know they shop. And I know they shop. And the way you say on fire, give me signal, make I run. You don't cost me 150,000 now. Only 150,000. What budget? Around 150,000. Don't go. Boom. That money now. Okay, that money. 1 year. 1 year salary for you. That's much. 150,000 naira.
That's what you return to this thing. Eh? You see, to eat my money is not hard. You take care of me, I take care of you. You do for me, I do for you. Sweet girl, come on, thank you. Because what I want to see you carry your eyes see this night, and you need to be a little bit intoxicated.
You are too spoiled.
I still have energy now. I'm not a rich young man. Yeah? So if you drink this one, you order for another one again. You chop. Yeah? So that when I fire you this night, you will tell me, daddy.
You need a quick sleep.
Quick sleep, how?
The last time in call.
Yes, Odinaka. Anything? Are you joking? Okay. Where is the bar? Send me the address. Okay, I dey come.
Drink this one, Waiting, I won't carry your eyes see this night, Hey!
Let me Chandalia.
Huh?
Hey, Chaka.
Hey.
No worry, I don't snap. I don't snap.
No, I dey post for you. I don't
snap.
I dey post for you. Nothing.
So this is what you do, eh? This is the rubbish you are doing. Hey!
Now you don't want to ask me what I do now.
Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I've been praying for the day that your evil deeds will come to light. So this is where your money is going to.
Ami.
You dey chop life.
Ami, no be like that.
You dey dorime
No be like
with
that.
our showers. Different showers. So this is what you are eating.
Ami, it's not the way it is looking now.
The kind of chicken.
Ami.
Hey!
Ami, calm
See what you dey follow woman chop.
Calm down.
Meanwhile, to cook soup with meat for inside your house, na taboo. Which kind useless man you be?
Ami, na public we dey.
Thunder fire
Make we go.
Emeka, thunder fire you. Okumo, na you go. And you get mind though. You know ask about him wife. You get mind. You sit down on top my husband lap, cross leg. You dey drink beer, they chop meat.
Baby.
Baby. You chop meat finish, you go come chop my husband meat. My meat.
She dey good.
Thunder fire you. You don't know what it is. You don't know what it is. You dey mad.
Ami, Jolene,
You dey crazy.
Ami.
You don't know what it is. If you touch me, come. You dey follow people husband, Abi. It's like,
You don't do.
Hey!
You don't do.
Emeka,
happen.
Emeka, happen.
Wait.
Wait. That's your thing.
Ami Chandalia.
I go cut your teeth. I go cut your teeth. I go cut your meat. Leave me.
Just run now. Run back on Ami, wait. This girl, why you do like this now?
They chop meat.
Ami, Chandalia. Wait.
Better carry the meat.
Wait. Where will they go house? Where will they go house? Wait now, where will they go house? Wait.
I am living in this house with you like a widow. Like an orphan. Bring this one. No. Watenka, Nsobu. What is your problem? Anything I need in this house, I have to explain myself from morning to night before you give it to me. Ordinary pad. For your wife to use, I have to write essay, 1,000 words, before you will give it to me. Before you give me money to buy. Okay, food that you will eat is a problem. Bring money, let us cook food. Bring money, let us buy meat, good meat, that you will eat is a problem. But look at you outside. Buying things for ladies. See the weight of the things you bought for that girl. Have you no shame? You're a very, very wicked man. Very wicked man. Your whole family.
You get mad. You dey talk about pad. Before they invent a pad, wetin our mothers dey use that time? Tissue no dey there. Wrap the thing, put am inside there, block it away. You didn't say pad.
See wetin you
make I dey buy pad for you.
See wetin dey use your mouth. You know the shame. You know the shame. Embarrassment kill you there.
You no get shame.
You no get shame. You no get one common shame.
Na your papa why dey blame for this thing.
Wetin my papa do?
Because he write for me, tell me say he don train you for school, live somewhere. Say he don train you for school, live somewhere. Because if you get education, you no go talk this way they talk. When you come somewhere, see me and person dey talk. The first thing what you supposed to do be say, you go ask me, Dimoma, Who will this person where you follow?
Get away, you.
What is her name?
Who
is she to you?
You're a big liar. You're a bloody liar from the pit of hell.
I'm a big liar.
Who is she to you? Who is she? Your mother's friend? Your auntie from your great-grandmother's family? Which one is she?
You don't see her.
Onyeka Obu, now they are telling me you don't see her. Answer. Who she be?
You don't see her now.
Who she be?
That girl is a interior decorator.
Hey.
Oh, Hannah, vintage Hannah, no.
Hey.
Vintage interior decoration, you know Hannah.
Hey.
The girl now, vintage, they work hand in hand.
People, you are a liar. You dey lie.
The girl they do interior decoration.
You dey lie. That Ashabo.
How they call
that Akuna?
Business-minded.
With that
Ashawo.
Stop him.
Okay, because she get nyash now.
That nyash will be a shower.
Look am now.
She be a shower.
You don't
you
see her.
carry a shower up and down.
You don't see her.
You don't marry. You carry wife. Put your house. Begin to follow small girls so don't do BB.
The girl they do interior decoration.
Interior decoration.
Responsible for the multi-millions.
Which so you dey make multi-millions.
From all those big men house.
You dey make multi-millions. Now you dey suffer for this house. Now you dey suffer for this house.
What you see for that
you dey make multi every time money no dey. You don't confess now. So you dey make multi-million. Bring money for food. 5,000 naira, ordinary 5,000 naira. We don't go anywhere. Give me 5,000 naira, make I cook okra soup. No, you carry 1,000, give me. What I could do with 1,000? But you go outside, they spend, they do dorime, they spend on top girls with big nash.
If you want, how many people for this house now?
Okra soup 3,000. Even that 5,000 step, no go anywhere. Hey!
You go do. It should be
the drink where they buy for those guys not past 5,000.
That's the way they bring me multi-millions. When she come to meet with me, then I do go buy
multi-millions for inside hotel, Abi. Multi-millions for inside hotel with that kind of nyash. That place where you go, that place where you go, you not pass 5,000.
Yeah. How much we meet?
Oku.
How much we
Oku more hellfire na you go. Wicked man.
5,000 naira to buy to cook soup.
Now me regret am now. Why I marry this kind of stingy man? You stingy for house. You go outside, they do dorime, they spray money for people. Now God go punish you. God go punish you.
This like person will not get money. They insult person will get money for not giving her money. After I train you finish, then you go to university.
I don't blame you now.
Go back to university. Come here.
I don't blame you. Emeka, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You know why I don't blame you? I don't blame you because now me stupid. Say I marry person like you. All the fine rich men will come marry me. I don't marry them. I dey look down man. I dey look down man. What have you dressed? See me today now. See me today.
When I toast you, I waste time.
See me today.
You don't give me 1 week to toast you.
See me today.
1 week.
Now me mess up now.
Toast you 1 week. I get you 1 week.
Now me mess up. Because fine men they toast me. Rich men wey rich pass you. Then me they toast me. I no agree. I dey follow tall man. See me today. Where the tall don't help me.
You see every Chandalia, you run the top.
Yeah. Now myself I blame myself. I marry you. Stingy baboon.
And me I blame.
Stingy baboon.
For me to train you
very
for school.
Stingy man.
Reach university.
Now God go punish you.
You get sense.
Now God go punish you.
Myself.
You don't go school now. If I say you go school, you go not say this thing where they do the bad.
You
don't go school.
Come back for university. Come here. Sorry. See, I did not even know that my wife was going to come to that place. How did she even know that place? Best way they did from house from morning to night. Just appear. I did suspect say somebody there give her information.
See, Otogo, I have never been so embarrassed all my life. The fact that you were there watching her embarrassing me is making me mad.
But I'm not just there watching her now. You see that my wife, that woman, very crazy woman, See, as she's there like that, she can carry kerosene and burn that place. As in, her temper, they rise. She feels just to burn that whole place down. How they use technique, they handle the whole thing. You know, see when she pour you that thing, the way I take hold her. And they give you signs, make you run. You still did there.
Then she had to destroy my expensive white dress. She poured soup all over my body.
Happy. It's a white cloth. I will buy you a new one.
She embarrassed me. Everybody because they look me. She because they catch me for there.
Asa. Sorry.
Not even sorry. See my phone. See my phone don't spoil like this now.
A phone don't spoil.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll buy you a new phone. That is a new clothes and a new phone. I will even pay for spa for you. They go and massage your body and do body club.
Eh? Are you okay now?
Odogi, give me 3 million.
3 million?
Yeah.
That is too much. Eh? You know what? My head never turned to move. I still get my common sense. Yeah. I know we'll reach that side. You understand? Eh? I will give you 1.5.
Do you know how much I got this for? This is 16.
Don't push it. Eh? Don't push it.
Make
Eh?
it 2 million.
Don't push it. Don't push
2
it.
million.
1.550. I will give 1.550.
Thank
Add
you.
your account number. Let me transfer it now so you get this. Yeah.
Me, I don't know what I like after this one. I don't know what I like.
Check your this thing. Check my down.
I've seen it.
So you're happy now?
Yes.
Eh? No more bad mood.
Yes,
Come here.
Odogu, what are you doing?
Start from here today.
No, I don't keep anything.
You don't get right.
I don't keep anything.
You don't get right.
Don't collect her for my breast. Don't collect her for your breast.
Stop doing
Only you, stingy.
You can't have money for that breast.
I will put her for inside breast.
I'll put her.
Wicked man.
I'll put her. No, Amara. This is what they do. Amara.
Finally, I'm eating something that reminds my body that I'm not a vegetarian. What rubbish. This is so good. By the time I finish the one in the fridge, I'll collect another money for another one. Chop life. Hey! Finally. Tomorrow is another day. What will I eat tomorrow? Tomorrow, maybe I would pineapple rice that I saw on Instagram. Hey! I'll cook that pineapple rice on Instagram with plenty turkey. Spice the turkey, eh? Hey! This life is sweet. Should be that stupid man. He does not care about me. I enjoy my life. He will go outside, go and spend on girls. Finish eating with all those girls, then come back home and expect me to suffer with him. God forbid. Can him and die? Can him and bury him? This is soup. This is chicken. That was good. God, I've missed you. Chicken, I've missed you. Hey! Odinaka!
Yes, madam.
Come on. Come.
Madam.
You like what you see?
I love what
You like what you see? Hey! Audie! Oh yeah, go to the kitchen. Your own is there. Bring it and come and eat with me. Sharp, before
Madam,
they
you
catch
mean
us. Sharp, before they catch us. Aye. You don't see him?
Madam, I don't see how they come.
Confirm. You can come.
Madam, I don't cheat poverty today. Madam.
Now so we go dey cheat poverty for this house every day. We go cheat poverty, we go clean mouth, lock up.
Use this one.
Wash your hand.
Hey, at least madam make person chop better food once.
I beg you.
Madam, if they tell me say I go chop this kind of food now, I no go
Enjoy.
believe you. I
Sharp,
dey think say now I don't reach Oga
Sharp,
age.
sharp. Don't worry. As long as you dey bring information, come give me from Oga. Na small thing be this now.
Madam, you can call me Inspector Odinaka.
I trust you.
If it go cost me to enter Oga booth,
You go enter.
I go enter.
Bring information. Confirm. No worry. Enjoyment galore. You dey like juice?
Madam, I love you.
You love juice.
Madam, I love
You
you.
love juice.
Madam,
Hey, me self love juice. No worry. When you chop finish, I go give you juice.
madam, you mean am?
I mean now. Enjoy. We go fast before they come catch us. When
Madam.
we chop finish, we clean mouth, lock up. I say nothing happen. We
Madam,
wash
I
all
be-
the plate sharp.
Madam, I be dey think say na when I reach Oga age, that I go chop this kind of food.
Now you go chop on. Enjoy. See chicken now. My husband. Yeah, I wash hand. Make I bring your food come for you.
Thank you.
Fine husband. Hi.
Hey, the smell I'm seeing for here.
You go like her, no worry. Di mama. Di mama. Bueno, chop your food, eh? Make I feed you.
I'll get him here.
Soup, okra soup, and eba with chilled water.
Which kind of soup be this way resemble dog vomit?
Maybe now you dey see her like that, so if you look on one side, close one eye, look am, no be dog vomit. Just put your hand, put your finger.
What this soup give me to chop?
Put your finger, gather am together, you go come together. Come chop am fast. You no go notice.
Something they worry you.
No, now.
Something they really worry you.
No.
You carry this rubbish, you come for me to chop. Eh?
No be. Chop am fast. You no go notice.
No problem.
Di mama, wait
problem.
now, make I feed you.
Carry your hand, come for here
Make
now.
we play love.
Come from here.
Make we pray rough.
Since
Make I talk am like
hunger, they
you.
worry you. Eh?
Baby, chop now.
Enjoy your meal.
Now the money when you
No
give me,
problem.
now I take cook
This
one.
thing where you dey start,
Eh,
you go suffer now.
wetin I go
You
suffer?
go neglect am.
Baby, chop food
No
now.
problem. Come on, leave me alone.
Chop this food now.
Come for my boys.
Your boys to do wetin?
No worry.
I could see now your mama.
He go pray, he go show.
Baby,
When
you
I call my boys now, I go put am for my WhatsApp status.
Akoko.
You go see am.
You talk say your mama dey cook soup 500.
No problem.
Now I say make I try am now. Shebi your mama na him sabi the best.
Enjoy, no problem.
Oh, so because I don dey use my
No
savings
problem.
since they cook better soup for you, you think say na that your miserable 1 cup wey you dey give me I dey use cook soup? Onyara.
Come for my boy.
Shebi you stingy. Come chop now. Every night when you come back from work, now wetin you go chop be this? Rubbish. You go chop this food, oh. You go chop this food. Now this food, tomorrow night, now this food I go bring, come serve you. Nonsense. Biribe.
Who be this girl again? Eh? Why should they make me dey suffer like this now? Hello? Hello?
Hi.
How now? How far now? Where did they go like this now?
I just want to get something down there.
But that's why you dey do like this now. You don't make me dey pursue you since. I don't dey pursue you. For how long go now?
You've been disturbing me since. What do you want from me now?
Okay, now just to wait, make we talk small. Make we talk small.
I don't have time.
Just to wait
I don't
now.
have
You
time.
don't do wait small, make we talk.
Okay, what do you want?
You don't tell why they pursue you this thing. You self just use your conscience, say, okay, this guy don't lie. It's me now, Emi Chandelier. I don't they pursue you now, they pursue you. For how long go now? Okay, what thing I go do? What thing you want make I do so that you go at least just to look my face, make I get to know you, you get to know me, we get things going.
See, let me warn you. This will be the first and last you do this kind of thing again because I won't even have anything to do with you in the first place. So just stop. I advise you to just stop all this your rubbish. I'm not interested, please.
We leave all this wrong talk. And Shakara, I know these things. Now you're a girl, you go do Shakara. You did the work on that son. I get money to change that kind of situation now. What will it cost for you now to give me your full attention? Mention anything. I will meet up.
We're talking millions, so big Nancy.
You're speaking my language now. At least you know I can speak your language. You self speak my language now.
Amy.
Chandelier. Okay. Now big name, no be small boy.
Big Nancy too.
Big Nancy. I dey see him. He big everywhere.
Yes, so.
I see him. Turn around the small, make I see. Hey, big Nancy.
As long as you speak my language.
I dey speak am even in tongues.
Yeah.
Well done. Enter now. Come, make I drop you.
Importer, exporter. Amy Chandalier. The guy Bokwanko.
Fine girl. You're welcome. Just to see as a person picking just to fine with beautiful skin. No problem, At least you see, no need for all those shakara that you are doing every time. You know that what you want from me is my money. What I want from you is your body. You understand? It's very simple.
Don't rejoice, say to Dogo. You know, I'm just here to hear you out. Besides, you've disturbed me too much. So that's why I came out.
No need to disturb your brain too much. We're not doing a campaign now, political campaign. It's simple. What I want from you is this one. Just to mingle, and then you chop my money. That is it now. Everything also.
Can you afford me, Otoko?
Can I afford you?
Yes,
no. Every small thing, can you afford me? Can you afford me?
Yes.
No believe in this.
Can you afford me?
What do you meant to afford inside? Of course I can afford you now. At least you too, you are seeing me now. I'm a sweet looking man now. You will not lie. I'm a sweet looking man and I will take care of you. Cho, no working. Darabango. Hey, I like that song. But we move. At least let's start with something that will enter your stomach now. Food or drink. Maybe wine or beer. Or what do you want?
Champagne.
Champagne. Hey! Champagne. No problem now. We will buy champagne. Champagne. Okay. Which type of champagne is that one now? Dom Perignon. That's Hey! Dom Perignon is not too sweet though. It's sour. You want Dom Perignon?
Oh, Ace of Spade.
Ace of Spade. Nah, you're an expensive one. Bag girl. Hey, Dom Perignon. Bag girl. Nigga, now. You told me that you're coming. I just stay here, they wait you since now. You know, as my thing, they take stand. If they stand, you know, they go down until I don't use that.
I'm sorry, sir. I won't be able to make it again. I have an emergency.
What is my emergency? Emergency with emergency now, money they solve. What is the emergency? Let me pay for the emergency one time. Or is it to Uber? Order for Uber, I come on now, I go pay the Uber. I even tell you send me your account number. You did not send it till now.
There's no money. I can pay my own tea fare, you know. I just won't make it today. See you another time, okay?
Hello? What kind of nonsense is this one now? Okay, send the account number. You know one send. Make I pay for Uber. You know. You get emergency. Make I pay for the emergency. Uber. I go come to now. Make I see whether in Kilo don't come out for school. Bia NK baby. How na?
Yeah, hi, Chris. What's up? What? Okay, so I'll be right there now. Just hold on for me. I'm coming now, okay? I have to just go.
Go to where now? Just they come. Each time you say you have to go.
Something came up.
All these things, something came up, they came up. Whatever it is, money can solve it.
No, this one
Money
is not
can
about
solve
money.
it. Don't worry. I will pay for it.
You know I didn't plan this, right? And don't worry, I'll come tomorrow. And tomorrow you'll be the one to get tired of it.
I know.
Okay?
Okay, chill. Wait now. Hold on now.
You get tired of me, oh.
Since you want to come tomorrow, tomorrow, no problem. But you have something they call quickie. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we don't finish.
You'll be the one to get tired of me. Just hold on. Tomorrow.
This thing, you go wear your clothes to do this one, just shift pants.
No, with all this
5 minutes, I don't finish.
No, we have to take our time. Tomorrow, you have me all to yourself. Okay? Smile for me now. Smile now. Odogu. I'm coming, okay?
You don't come turn me on now. Don't leave me like that. Asa, did I do anything wrong to you? Why are you avoiding my call now?
How do you mean, sir?
I've been calling you for some few days now. I call you, they carry my call. Anything? Why?
Oh, so sorry, sir. I'm such a busy person. Sometimes I barely remember I have a phone.
Woku, which one is your very busy person? You know busy reach me now. You know busy reach Amy Chandelier. Or you busy reach president. I deal with busy people. All my friends are busy people. But you make time for who you want to make time for. That is how life is. So you yourself, if you want to see me now, you make time for me.
You will not understand my line of work. Being a business consultant, it's like this, I have a serious challenge that I'm still not sure how to solve.
You have serious challenge and you have Amy Chandelier in your life. It's simple now. What is the challenge? Is it something that money can solve? Let me solve the issue for you, Nana.
Don't worry about it, sir. I will figure it out, okay? Thanks for everything.
Figure it out. Don't figure it out. What is the problem? Tell me.
Okay, you're right. It's money. And the money is kind of big.
How much is the money?
3 million naira.
3 million. Now be the problem. So because of 3 million, now you no one can see me. When you send me your account number now, I will send that money for you. Try and solve the problem so that at least tomorrow I will see you.
Problem, sir. God bless you so much. This is very huge. God bless you richly.
No problem. No problem. So send this thing when I get to my shop now. I will send it to you. Problem. You're owing me plenty makeup, All this one that you've been doing like okay, you have to make it up to me. Bye. Let's see if I pay this one now. Go chop and what's no good. So I'll just park outside here, they inside the car. Let us go inside now. Why are we inside the car?
Amy, see, now, I just want to get to know you, know things about you first. Don't worry, very soon, you will get tired of eating all this.
I can never get tired of eating all this. What are you trying to get to know about me? What's the point of getting to know? Get to know that what happened. Are you marrying me? Am I marrying you? What could they do with the small children or something now? Make a woman. We don't pass some kind things. You know what's up. You know how far. Which one is get to know me?
Amy, relax. Chill. This thing helps build intimacy, connection. Imagine, just relax. Let me get to know you. Everything will flow. Everything will be melly. Calm down.
The way I go use chop you now, and the way I will take chop you tomorrow, or the way I will take chop you in 20 years' time, if you take 20 years to know me, now the same chop I go use chop you. You understand? So no need for all this hanky-panky, you want to get to know me, no one get to know me. When you chop my money, what they do you transfer? Why you no one get to know me first before you chop that money? I go do you transfer, you go correct. Now the same thing now. I see Nyash, I follow. What do you expect from me again? I want chop. Now chop carry me come here. Not be marriage, not be relationship. I want to come and chop.
We are getting there now. Igbo people say good things take time. So is that place. That's how we'll build the sweetness. Oh, yeah, see now. I've been longing to ask you, do you have a wife? If yes, how do you treat her? All these questions now to boost, you know.
How does this question help our situation now? How does this question take help anything? I wear link for hand. You dey see link for hand. You ask me whether I have a wife. I don't have wife. Eh? In a make come as in now.
Oh yeah, don't be.
We don't pass some kind small things.
Why okay, dear, feed you.
I dey like chop my food hot, and I dey rush am.
It's big Nancy.
How are you?
Welcome.
There is girl.
Which food? Do we live in this house together?
Which food, Opa?
Which food? Please, go back to where you had your bath and ask for wrapper from them.
No problem.
Odinaka! Odinaka!
Yes, Oga.
Yeah. Odinaka, you will come and help me now. And go to Madam, please.
Okay.
Buy me Indomie. How much did they sell Indomie?
Oga, na 300.
300.
Yes.
How many did they inside?
Oga, for one.
For one. One, 300. Okay, no problem. So, how much did they sell Minala?
Oga, na 500.
500 for Minala. Since when, nah?
Yes, Oga.
Yeah. You go price them 350.
Hey!
Hmm?
Yakwa.
That is how much now?
750.
750. You said you want chop now?
Yes, Oga.
Okay. So, take 1,000. Use the change to buy your own food.
Okay.
Take you know pass 1,000.
Oga, what about madam?
You must be a madman.
You better buy my own.
Come on, Shema, what?
Sorry.
You don't come back to this house if you don't buy my own.
Come on, get out of here.
Don't come back to this house if you don't buy my own. Let's see how you eat it now. Come and eat it in front of me. Let us see. Tabuta.
I remember na check again na pay phone. I tell they wait you since now. Which one be phone where they press?
Amy, calm down now. I'm here already. I'm all yours. Just chill small. Let me seal this deal. Okay?
Deal again. Happen here deal. How much be the deal? Happen here. Come here. Make we do a thing we come here can't do. You go see deal later now.
Amy, you know this is business matter now. It's business. Just calm down. I'm here already now. Am I not here for you?
How much you want make from that business now? If now your place where they work, maybe say they stress you like this, I go pay them double their.
It has clicked, Amy. It has clicked.
Click.
Are you ready for business?
I don't want to do business now. I have a shop. Let us.
Amy, are you ready for business?
Which one be the business now?
So there's this Chinese man I'm talking to. I mean China distributor that I'm talking to, and the man is into electrical. We've been talking for a while now, and now he's accepted that he will giving me direct things from China.
No problem.
Even chandelier.
You know, see me, I get my own people for China. What they do with dialect for years now. So that's not the problem. And leave this one, make we do what we want to do.
Forget about those your people. I'm telling you, come, let me explain. I'm talking about things like, if that thing is sold for 200 naira, this man will give you 50 naira. You know me, I'm not greedy at all. The only thing I want there is just give me my 50 naira extra, which is 100 naira, and you take your own. And this thing, it will make you become a bigger man times 5. You make so much money.
Business, already importer exporter. I'm not a small boy in the business line. If the business is a legit business, I can look into it. I mean, I'm a businessman. I like to make profit.
Yes, now.
Give you 100 naira, not even 50 naira. So we've passed that one up, yeah?
This one is not the thing. You will start distributing to all those wholesalers in your line of business in the plaza. They will be wondering who is Amy's Connect. You don't know that it's us as we are here like this. We are making the plan.
I like you. You're a smart guy.
Yes, now.
We will do
Business
that
consultant.
Let us get down.
Well, let me call him for.
Hey, baby.
He's calling. Wait. Where your clothes?
You go put them back later now.
Where your clothes now so you can talk to him? Hello, John Ho.
Yeah, you can give me my clothes.
Okay.
You have to sign it.
When I sign this one, now I can now wire the money for them.
Direct, shut down.
So everything can come one time. Because me, I want 2 containers.
Hey!
That is 2 containers of every different new design.
Direct.
That is not in the market now. Different chandelier, different rights. They will come.
Amy Chandelier.
And then everybody will now know that I am there. Because it is a big name.
Amy Chandelier. Importer,
exporter, general merchandise.
Shut down.
Go sign
It's a big name, but where else again?
Oh, this one they very. Go sign it.
Okay.
Amy Chandelier. Fine boy billionaire.
Nah, my brother, that's so. Now so. Now, as I'm talking to you now like this, marketers are already asking for my products. Yes, now I'm already distributing to other marketers. They are now. In 2 weeks now like this, 2 weeks like this, my container go down round. That is everywhere go just shut down. Help me, chandelier. My man! Yes, now. I'm distributing. We still expecting 2 containers. No problem. If you want to sell, if you make I know so that I go keep your own for you. But no fear. My brother asked my container around like this. Make they just clear road for me. Amy Chandelier have landed. My brother, no problem. Take care of yourself, No problem, now. Bye. Watoka. Now, so, campus engineer. Order. Order for lamb. I will distribute. I can meet up. Amy Chandelier. Okay, my man, no problem. My regard to your wife, My regard to your wife. Bye. Hey. Oh, nah, my men them. Campus you. Ogbefi. Ogbefi. Manum. Number 1 distributor of hotels. No competition though. No. Oh, for tuba. Oh, that is acid hot. Umu asakwanu. Anodia. I'm going to import me 2 bottles of asa. You know now, my spec now. You know my spec. Coca-Cola bottle. Horrible. Horrible. That is Coke. Coke. I'll be there soon. Don't worry now, based on me. As far as my spec is there, as far as my spec is there, based on me.
I will see you soon. Let me go and queue it up now. Okay. Bye-bye. Hey, nah, rice is good.
Oga, the two-way switch, we don't go out of stock.
No problem now. Just anybody where they find them, just tell them say we will supply them in 1 week time.
Okay.
And the other things can go warehouse.
Oga, some already did warehouse before. Okay.
No problem. Now why this girl no dey respond to WhatsApp now? Forget this girl on WhatsApp. This one, you don't do the kind of one they like. I go, they call your phone, you they pick. Man, I'm in Gaza. What kind of rubbish is this one now? Just imagine. You carry phone. Hey. Amy Chandalia.
Oga, good afternoon, sir.
Oga, last week you say our imported goods they touched down. This week we never see anything and nothing in the warehouse again. Oga, you see this list now. Now customer bring them today. Most of the things when they know they shop or warehouse again, so I don't know what to do.
See, Odinaka, carry this list, go Jamie rights. Make them give you everything ready for that list. When my good come, I go give them back. Simple and short.
Gabona, we be they give them before.
I say carry your the list to go there. Go.
Sorry, sir. You get one thing I want to see you quick, sir. About that my papa burial. I don't know, maybe if you borrow me 1.5, so I go to work and I go to pay back small.
If you don't bury your father, we train you for school, we suffer for you, then you yourself go and die. So that the community will gather together and bury both of you. It's that simple. No come and they carry person who don't die, matter they disturb me. A whole 1.5 million naira. Go and die so that you can bury two of you together. Come on, get out of my side.
switch off. So now the number don't come out from not responding to switch off. Okay? Eh? Nancy own switch off. Supplier switch off. Eh? This one na plan cabina just a mistake. Okay now. No problem.
Oga, you sure say everything dey okay? I don't dey observe.
My friend, I'm very okay. I say carry the risk there. Go to that to the other shop there and you collect what is there and surprise. Simple and short. Officer, I am telling you that I was scammed. Them scammed me. Officer, all this way they talk now just Oyibo. Just they speak Oyibo. I said they scam me. They don't hack me. My account is not hack anything. I was scammed. A friend bring business for me. I invest in the business. Now all of a sudden, I cannot reach my girl. I cannot reach anybody again. Container that was supposed to land here 2 weeks back now. I don't feel see him. It's scam now. Yes. I was not under any Dulex. I was not under any Dulex. They scam me. Officer, which one is the details that are fake again? I submit all the details of the people involved. I send you the picture of the girl that was my girlfriend that scammed me. How can you say that it is fake? Officer, because see, there must be something that we can do about this thing. My money cannot just go like that. People that I have make mouth to and tell them that my container will soon arrive. They are expecting the container to arrive. If you have a number of people in the Navy, call them on the high sea. Let us know whether my container is even there. I send you their picture now. Open the thing I sent to you. The girl picture there inside there. Look the picture. Look the name. Look out for the people. Let me get my money back. Officer. Hey! I'm Chandelier. It's fake as of how now? As of how? Yeah. I don't understand. As of how? Information is fake. Hey. Which one is this? There is nothing you can do. There is nothing you can do as of how now? Okay, it has been from I will see what I can do to there is nothing I can do now. Which can I talk with that one now? As the officer of the law, your job is to see what you can do and solve the issue.
How can I do?
See, solve this thing, no. Solve this thing, no. There's nothing you can do.
Amy, what's going on? Emeka, talk to me. I heard your voice from upstairs. What's happening? Who are you speaking to? I was hearing something like scam. Who scammed who? And why are you calling police?
Hey!
Talk to me now. What's happening?
Hey!
You don't want to open up to me, your wife? Tell me. You don't want to say anything, Abby? No problem. I'll mind my business.
Hello? Sorry, good afternoon. It's just that I don't have money now. But I will pay. I will pay. I know. I will meet up. I will try. Just give me small time, because just that small time I know they ask for like this. Just give me small time. I will rectify everything. Sir, but just to hear me out small. Hello? Hey. Why did I go carry my leg match like this? Hey! Hear me, Chandelier. Mbana.
So this is it. Huh? This is where we end. After years and years of toiling with you. This is where we settle. This slum. God forbid. It's not me and you. It's not me and you. Fear.
We just dey come here now. This place, be like our estate, where house is a plate. This one, neighbors full everywhere. Make them not come to hear our voice now.
Make them hear! Make them hear! No be under our voice. They go hear for this place. They go hear other things. What did they worry you? Emeka, I met you when you had nothing. I stood by you. I suffered with you. I toiled with you. Finally, God blessed you. What did you do? Emeka, when you started seeing money, what did you do? You abandoned me. The same woman that stood by you when you had nothing. You abandoned me. And you started spending on prostitutes. Different women. We know your scores now. Your scores are everywhere. Amy Chandelier. Importer, exporter.
I don't be that kind.
You abandoned me.
Which woman
you? If you talk, say you know be that person. You don't look me eye to eye. You still they lie. After your secret don't expose, you still they lie.
Who you see me they do anything with because
bring money for food, problem. Make I buy clothes, problem. Wig, nka, problem. Even water, no problem. But you they do to remain for girls. Ha! Now, this.
Yet I endured. I endured. I'm about endurance. I kept on enduring. And what do you think? You think I'm still going to continue enduring with you in this slum of an area, right? The little money you had, instead of you to plan, instead of you to do something with your life, you were lavishing it doing Dorime. Now see where we're staying. See.
This thing a temporary setback. My goods still there for high sea. Once my container come, I gather my cash. I go get the house back. Everything get back to normal, and things go change.
Cash from where? Who won't give you cash? Oto Idi, who won't give you cash? Stingy man. You stingy from your head to your toes. Stingy. Very stingy. Akagom. Who won't give you cash? Where you go see the money? Stupid stingy man. Now go find the money now. Maybe now all those are shower where they carry will give you money. The next thing when you go talk say, now the work of the devil. How you take the work of devil? Now devil enter you when you go the shift pants. I mean, now devil shift the pants.
You see me they shift.
You still they lie. You still they lie for my.
Okay, I mean, how many girls they wear pants these days?
So you even know say they know they wear pants.
They try talk.
You know say girls know they wear pants.
You accuse me say they move.
How you take no say girls know they wear pants?
Nah, normal thing. Now who wear pants again?
I know they wear pants.
Nah,
Emeka, no need for all this long sermon. No need. The cocoa be say this is over. I'm done. Because no be me go suffer again. I no go fit come suffer with you again.
You allow devil to walk. You allow devil to walk.
Now that devil go squeeze your mouth. Now that devil go burn you. You dey craze. You know the kind of suffer why I suffer. I don't endure. I have my endurance. See, I beg. As it be like this, we no marry again. I'm done. I'll just take my things and leave. Leave me, oh. You know say you know they had me to fight. Leave me, oh.
We just they come here now.
If you okay, leave me, Jare. You are who? I beg. Nonsense. I've suffered. I've tolerated a lot, and I'm done. This marriage is over. Anything me and you, let me Chandelier, is over. Go and meet you at Kona. Let them help you.
I'm Chandelier.
If you touch me,
you don't reach now.
Okay,
wait now.
Wait for
this.
Army.
Wait.
Emeka, happen. Emeka, leave me alone. I don't do it. Emeka, see. Emeka. Hey! Neighbors! Emeka, you don't. If you like, hold me from now to tomorrow. It's over. It's over. No! Nothing more we can talk about.
Guy, how far now?
Okay,
I still there here now.
What's happening now?
I don't here since afternoon reaching out. You don't get conscience. I see my wife enter my house. This house now me get this house. I get small temporary issue. Now they possibly come out here. Why my wife they enter this house? Who get this car where they here?
For you to stay here from morning till night, Baba, you don't get anybody here. They go your house.
Who get this car where they here?
You buy the car here. You be poor man, oh. See the car where you here.
My guy, with all due respect, go inside. The corner guy where green and green come out here.
Baba, you don't keep anybody here. They go your house. What's the worry you now?
Me, where see I'm from far. Follow and reach here. You say I don't see anybody.
You don't get anybody here.
I don't see anybody.
You don't get anybody here.
Nah, I be upgraded out.
I want pass you.
I be upgraded. Yeah.
And what pass you now?
Hey.
Amy Chandelier. Importer, exporter.
Amarachi.
Amy Chandelier.
Nancy.
Importer, exporter.
Nothing where Emeka no go see for market. Hey! Nothing where Emeka no go see for market.
Amy for the girls.
Una play me.
Nancy.
Ami baby. Oh my God. Longest time.
Longest time.
I'm telling you. Come here.
I'm looking at you right now.
Yeah.
Girl, you look so good.
Thank you. Can I just go back? Yes. I've been away for years now.
Yes, I know you. And
how have you been?
I've been good.
Look at me.
What have you been eating? Look at you.
I'm okay. Stop it. I've been asking about you in the group chat. I heard you married a wealthy man.
Yes.
But you're not looking like. What's going on? You're not looking like the army baby of those days now. What happened? What changed?
It's a long story. Maybe we should sit and I'll tell you about everything.
I have all the time in the world. Look at me, oh. This is not the army I used to know.
My dear.
What changed?
Life has been tough. I'm not even going to lie about it.
I remember in our group chats, they said your husband is okay.
Well, life is crazy.
But it's good now. I've seen you.
Oh,
I'm happy.
You look so good.
Thank you. Thank you. Baby, I don't think this is a good idea.
No, Nancy, this is a very good idea. And I trust you to deliver.
I know, but I don't want to now complicate things for you.
Nancy, we're not complicating anything. Please, just do this for me. Look, I'm tired. I want to be free from that man.
Okay, it's fine. I will handle it the way you want it because you said so.
Thank you. Okay, I promise to reward you handsomely. Okay?
No problem, it's fine.
You won't understand what I'm going through when I say I'm tired.
I understand. Like, look at you now. You've changed a lot.
My sister, can I say?
That is wife where I marry with my money. I come your village, I pay your bride price complete. Carry you come here, buy house, move you into my house, they take care of you. You come scam me with this ashawo.
Importer, exporter.
Emeka, what money are you talking about? What stupid money? Do you have money?
Does he have money?
When you there with me, you lean.
Stingy he
When you there with me,
do you have money? Anyways, I'm not here to banter words with you. This is now my house.
Exactly.
Okay. In my name. Also, I do not want to see your miserable self in my house
you
again.
go behind my back to go buy a
Matthias.
No problem. When the house was in my name, you are living with me.
If I ever see this man around this premises, you'll be fired.
In my house.
Understood?
In my house.
Take him out.
Yeah, can I do something, eh?
Come on, get out.
Me
Whose house
and
is
you
this?
are not officially
I bought this house. If you talk...
Me and you are not officially divorced. I don't see your husband.
Push him! Push him! Push him!
See, you are king now. You gave me the house. You are king.
LAVENDER. Whoa, play. Amy Chandalia. Importer, exporter. Amy Chandalia. The guy Bokwanko. Amy Chandalia. A biggie mafia godo. Amy Chandalia. Amy Chandalia. Mana, my guy come on, Lilo. Now only women know they drop his money. Amy, oh, come on, is it now? Which kind of babies? Yeah, Emeka, come on, Lilo. If you see woman, nobody go they shake.